So one of the other utilities that we want to run is the Diagnostics utility. Now to run the Diagnostics utility, we have to download the diagnostics.ovf file from the support site and upload it into the controller virtual machine. So let's go ahead and go over to the support site. Here we want to go over onto the downloads page and go over to tools and firmware. Now there's going to be a diagnostics utility for each different hypervisors. In this case we're going to do it for ESX. So for ESX I want to go ahead and download the diagnostics-disk1.vmdk file. I also want to go ahead and download the diagnostics.ovf file for ESX. Now if we're running Hyper-V, there is a diagnostics.vhd.gzip file for Hyper-V. And if we're running the Acropolis hypervisor, there's a KVM version of this, and it's called diagnostics.raw.image.gz. Now once we go ahead and download this, we want to go ahead and SSH into one of the controller virtual machines. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to log in as a Nutanix account. Go ahead and input the default password. And then we're going to make two directories. The first one we're going to make is the images directory inside the data folder. So it's going to be mkdir/data/images. The next directory we're going to make is the diagnostic subfolder under images. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and copy the OVF files over into that diagnostics folder. So I have two files, the OVF file and the VMDK file. And over onto the controller virtual machine that we were just on. And then we're going to put that into the data/images/diagnostics folder. And same thing with the VMDK file. Now we're going to SSH back into the same controller virtual machine. And run the diagnostics with the command diagnostics/diagnostics.py space run. This will actually go and automatically run the diagnostics command. This will take quite a few minutes to run. Now that once it's done running, we can run that same diagnostics.py command with the cleanup command at the end instead of run. Now that diagnostic is finished, you can compare the output. Now remember, make sure that you're actually on the customer's actual network, because if you're running this on the 1 gig network instead of the 10 gig network, you're going to have very different results. And after you're done, you can go ahead and run the cleanup command. So that's going to be diagnostics/diagnostics.py and then cleanup. So running the diagnostics.py cleanup command will actually get rid of any of the leftover items left over by the diagnostics.py we just ran.